This is the outside lobby to the new Rio Tinto Regional Center at Daybreak outside of Salt Lake City. You enter these doors into the Rio Tinto lobby where you'll find the kiosk. As you can see, the look of the lobby is clean and simple. This is a world map of our global operations, the safety orientation check-in screens, and the lobby generally. And immediately adjacent to the waiting area, in this area right here, is the kiosk. As you see, there's a constant movement on the main screen of the kiosk. The main purpose of that is to attract the attention of visitors who are waiting in the lobby and have a few minutes to spend while they're waiting to peruse the touchscreen kiosk.
The kiosk accomplishes two things for Rio Tinto. One, it's a good reflection of our brand. The kiosk layout, the format is clean and simple, and as I've shown in the rest of the lobby and throughout the building, the look of the building is also very clean and simple. The new Rio Tinto brand was launched just last year, and the visual look of the kiosk helps us to support that brand. Secondly, we constructed the kiosk with the assumption that most people would only have 4 or 5 minutes to spend some time learning about our building and how it achieved LEED certification. As they're sitting here in the main lobby waiting for their appointment. And so we wanted to be sure that the content was very user-friendly, the layout was very user-friendly, and that the look made the kiosk appear very approachable to most visitors. So, as I've shown before, they wait here, and they can spend a few minutes going through the kiosk. They simply touch the screen. The monitor explains what LEED is, talks about Rio Tinto's commitment to sustainable development. This first screen explains the 6 LEED categories in which the building received points. There's sustainable sites, water efficiency, energy and atmosphere, materials and resources, indoor environmental quality, and innovation and design. The user can choose any of those categories and learn more. And then over here to the left is a broader description of how LEED certification is achieved and the number of points that are required in which categories. So if you click, for example, on the first category, sustainable sites, then you learn about some of the features of the building, such as wise water use and how the building is designed to minimize water wastage and make good use of water. You can also learn about public transportation and how the building is designed to make it easy to use alternative forms of transportation to get here, including a train line that will be constructed and completed a bit later this year. Bicycling to work. And then you move into other categories such as sustainable sites, and and a description of how the building is constructed on a site that once was mining wasteland that's been reclaimed and restored. Natural plants or native plants and grasses have been planted on the site, and it's actually a very nice place to work now, and a very nice surrounding environment. And we wanted to choose, just aesthetically, we wanted to choose very nice images as a backdrop to the text. We wanted to be sure that the images reinforced what the text was explaining, and also helped, with the images, you help draw users to the kiosk, and they're more inclined to learn more and to use it. It's been a very successful kiosk. It's used quite a lot as people have a few minutes to spend. It certainly helps tell the Rio Tinto story. As I said, it is one way in which we showcase our brand, and one of the values that the Rio Tinto brand stands for is a commitment to sustainable development. So both visually and in terms of content, the kiosk certainly helps strengthen that.